Hi, it's Amber. Let's go over creating points within Evolve. Also, we'll talk about some other cool features about points within Evolve. So first, you're going to see points within both Evolve Electrical and Evolve Mechanical. Within our points panel, you're going to see we have Create Points and we have Point Manager. Keep in mind, points are going to be pre-embedded in a lot of families that are offered by Evolve. You can pre-embed our points into any families that you would like. So if you don't want to manually place points, I definitely recommend pre-embedding our points into the families that do not have points if need be. But to create a manual point, we're going to go up to our Create Points. You're going to see we have our family type. You have that drop down. We have center align point, control point, layout point, rectangular sleeve point, and round sleeve point. Next, we have our point information. So starting point number, I'm going to say CP01. I'm going to change my family type to control point. You can specify your point layer, and you can also specify your point description. Next, we have our point placement. If you want to do a single point or a grid point. So I'm going to do grid points. So you can specify your offset value here and specify all 4 or 2 or 1 or how you want to have it defined for your grid points themselves. Once you have that all defined, we're going to hit OK. I'm going to zoom in here and go to this grid here and select that intersection point. And now you can see all 4 of those points were placed. Now that my control points were placed, let's go into our point manager to see how those are looking. So within our point manager, you're going to see we have a good amount of options for those points if you do need to adjust them after the fact. So here are all those control points. You're going to see we have our Y, X, and Z, our description, we have the document, type, status. So we do have about 3 different statuses: placed, exported, and then modified. You can easily come in here and modify your X, Y, and Z as well here. Or you can also import in your points. So especially if you're getting control points, you can easily import those in as well. When it comes to exporting the points, you can export to a TFL file or a CSV file. And you can also come in here and specify a good amount of options as well for display points by, your origin, use true north, include your DWG background when you're exporting your points, which is super awesome. And we also have our include linked points as well. So again, I could easily come in here and select these and export them out, or do whatever is needed for those control points as well. So that is going over a little bit about points when it comes to creating those manual points and understanding the point manager a little bit. I hope you're enjoying this video and you're enjoying the series as a whole when it comes to the holiday inspired videos. If you want to continue to see some more videos, follow along throughout this month. Thanks.